all eyes are on the Federal Reserve this week as policymakers gather for one of the most important meetings of the year. An immediate rate cut isn't expected, but investors, economists, even home buyers, all looking for clues about what's in store for the stalled out housing market. 9 News real estate expert Lyon is here this morning to break it all down for us. Lyon is, as we've mentioned before, a realtor and a managing broker at Coldwell Banker. So,
good morning.
Good morning to you.
Yes.
Why is this particular meeting getting so much attention?
Well, I tell you what, I think the market is looking for some direction after what we've seen over the last couple of years. And really, economists are all on the same page, Drew, as you mentioned, that we're likely not going to see an interest rate cut coming out of Wednesday's meeting. I think really the focus is the comments coming after the meeting. Really, this is an opportunity for a lot of people, economists, home buyers, sellers, to get an idea on the new Fed Chair, Kevin Warsh, and what his philosophies are when it comes to jobs, inflation, whether or not we will see more interest rate cuts later on the year. This could be setting the stage on what to expect next, and so a lot of people are curious.
Yeah, and a lot of people crossing their fingers, right?
Yeah, I think we are,
good.
yeah.
Let's localize this. What are you seeing here in the Denver market as we approach the busy summer season?
Well, I think for sellers, it's a test of patience. And I think also for buyers, there's some opportunities. I will say, number one, we are not concerned. This is not a problem situation for the housing market right now. It's just a different market than we've seen in the last couple of years, Drew. There are 12,000 homes for sale, roughly, here in the Denver metro area. That is a lower number compared to this time last year. Okay. The differences are the days on market. The time that it's taking to sell homes is going. Some of this inventory is hanging around a little bit longer. That is creating some opportunity for buyers to come in and negotiate with sellers. Again, just waiting for some clarity. I think consumer confidence is hanging in there a little bit in terms of how comfortable I feel about moving forward on an investment like this.
You've already used the word patience once during this interview, and it seems like that is really the theme here. We're hearing that any changes are going to be gradual changes. Are you still hearing the same thing?
Absolutely. And I want to talk to home buyers that might be waiting a little bit. I mean, we have seen dramatic changes in interest rates, say, during the COVID period, when they went way down. And economists are all coming from the same place. We probably won't see that. Whether it's going up, whether it's going down a little bit, it should be gradual. It then comes back to you and your situation. What your financial situation looks like, what your personal situation looks like. I will say that there are opportunities for buyers, as I mentioned, but for sellers, they are drawing the line in some cases when it comes to lowball offers, unlike the times that we saw during the recession of 08 and 09 when sellers were having trouble making their payments, for example. We have sellers now who are saying, no, I'm not going any lower. I'm going to rent it out. I'm going to wait it out. And I've seen a couple of deals most recently where sellers have walked away from deals just over $5,000 or $10,000 because they do not want to go that low. And that is what's kind of helping us keep values where they're at right now.
Did you notice the video during most of what you just described was just a bunch of $100 bills?
Did you notice me just focused on it? Like, show me the money?
The stacks of $100 bills.
We were mesmerized. But yeah, a lot of people watching this week, and we'll keep you posted.
All right, Lane, thanks for joining us again on this Monday morning.
Sure.